So if you clicked on this video, you're probably trying to put out the feelers on whether you should go to a homestead conference, and I'm going to give you 5 reasons to consider. The first reason you might want to consider going to a homestead conference is just because you want to go. Go ahead. I give you permission. You are allowed to go to a homestead conference regardless of your rationale. You're welcome. Now, if you need to build a case for going to a homestead conference, I'll give you a few other pointers to consider. If you are interested in homesteading, but you don't have any homesteaders that you know, or you're like a generation or two away from any sort of agriculture like we were when we first started, a homestead conference will help give you kind of a sense of the different industries that are involved in the homesteading process. You'll get to see animals, different breeds of chickens and rabbits and cows and just all sorts of stuff, as well as some of the equipment that you might use, things for the kitchen, things for the field. They also have like basic coop designs, things like that. So it's a great way to just kind of see what the culture's all about and see if it's for you. If you're thinking about going to a homestead conference, definitely check out their schedule. They always have a line out on who's speaking, what are the big vendors, what are some of the demonstrations, and see if there's some skill gaps that you need to fill in your homestead. Pause for the rooster. And if there are enough gaps in your skills that could be filled by that conference, it's probably worth going. It's also a great time to see equipment in practice. Homesteading is very niche in the sense that you're not a commercial farmer, but you're also not a suburbanite. So there's this weird in between, and there's beginning to become a lot of niche equipment that goes with that. From blacksmith tools to chicken tractors to grain milling to even making mini bales using your lawnmower, like there's a whole bunch of specialized equipment that you don't really get to see in practice, but you do get to see that at a homestead conference. A big reason for us, and we actually got to use the last homestead conference as a birthday present per request of our son, is that if you homeschool, and we homeschool here in the state of Missouri, you can count it as elective hours. It's a win-win-win for us. Not only do we get to go to a conference, they have a little getaway trip with the family, we get to rack up homeschool hours. Both the adults and kids are getting to learn new skills and get new ideas. And then on top of that, sometimes the kids get to meet their heroes. The last reasons you might want to consider going to a homesteading conference is if you have a legitimate business paired with your homestead. If your accountant gives you a thumbs up on this being a legitimate expenditure for your business, it's a great way to write this off so that you're not giving more money to Uncle Sam than you have to. We're definitely excited about the next opportunity for us to go to another homesteading conference, and maybe we'll see you there. This is Sonny. Sonny says it's super you stayed until the end of the video. That he hopes that you stick around for the next one. Okay, Sonny, chill out, man.